In this step, we will use the 3 fabric pieces, groups E, F, and G, that were previously sewn. First, take out the group G fabric. Unfold the folded cloth piece, and position it with its right side facing you. Please note, the serrated part of the teeth should face forward. If it faces backward, it is incorrect. After confirming, put it aside. Next is group F. Similarly, unfold it first, then position it with the right side facing you. Let the pink part point backward after unfolding. Flip group F horizontally, left to right, place it with the right side facing down, and position it on the upper part of group G fabric. Then take out group E, unfold it first, and position it with the right side facing you. Position group E with the lining fabric facing down and the plush side facing up. Flip it horizontally, left to right, so that the right side faces down, and place it on the lower part of the group G fabric. Once positioned, it should look exactly as shown in the video. Take out the pre-threaded needle with a knot. First, move group E aside, and proceed to sew the lining parts of group F and group G together. Align the edges of the lining fabric and prepare for stitching. The first stitch should be made on the adjacent plush section. Start by passing the needle through the farthest corner point of the plush fabric. After passing through the 2 holes, pull the thread through. Next stitch, follow the direction, and insert the needle into the second hole of the plush fabric. This stitch should exit from the reverse side of the pink plush fabric. In the video, the needle deviated slightly, which is incorrect. Adjust the exit point accordingly. Exiting from this point is correct. Here's the key point. Pinch the stitched edge. Then insert the needle again from the exit point you just made, and bring it out from the opposite side of the stitched edge. The exit point should be precisely aligned with the outermost edge mark of the white lining fabric. Next, align the 2 lining fabric pieces and stitch along the marked points. Ensure alignment and avoid skipping any stitch holes. Continue stitching along the edge. Here is the final stitch. When sewing the final stitch of the lining section, the method should be the same as at the beginning. Pinch the stitched edge, Then insert the needle through the hole along the stitching line. Verify that the position is correct, then you can pull the thread through. The final stitch should also be made on the plush fabric, inserting into the farthest corner point. Pull it over. Tie a knot here. It is recommended to add 2 extra knots for increased durability. Cut off the excess thread. Finally, check both the front and back of the fabric. After unfolding, the lining part should be inside out, with all stitching seams facing outward. The 2 pieces of plush fabric, when unfolded, should have their right sides facing the same direction. Next, sew Group E and Group G together. For Group G, position the unsewn side with the lining facing up and the right side, plush side, facing toward you. Position Group E with the right side facing you and the lining facing up, then flip it over and align it onto Group G. After alignment, similarly begin stitching from the plush fabric section first. Locate the outermost edge point of the plush section in Group E and insert the needle there. Do not pull the thread yet. Directly and continuously insert the needle into the outermost stitch hole of the plush section in Group G. For the next stitch, similarly insert the needle into the plush section. Bring the needle out from the opposite side. From the previous exit point, insert the needle again, pass through the stitched edge, and bring it out from the lining side. This step is the same as when we sewed Group F earlier. Align the lining parts, then proceed to sew normally along the edge of the lining. Align every stitch hole carefully. zoom in to check the final few stitches. When reaching the final stitch of the lining, as before, pinch the sewn edge and pass the needle through the hole along the stitching line. After pulling the needle through, align the outermost points of the 2 plush fabric pieces and stitch through them. Adjust the tightness of the thread slightly. Tie a knot here, and remember to add 2 extra knots. Trim the excess thread. Unfold and inspect the piece. The central plush fabric section, when fully unfolded, should have the plush side facing you. The reverse sides of the lining fabric on both edges should face outward. Turn it over. The stitched seams should also be on this side. This step completes the sewing of Group G.